So there are screws coming from underneath the roof where a fur strip has been replaced. This is definitely not the gutter, guys. It's definitely a screw. It does come through the membrane. Also, one of my pet peeves about rubber roofing, if you look right here, you can see the drip edge. Rubber, it should hang past the drip edge about a ½ inch for, it can actually shrink over time, and then you'll get like where water will kind of come in here and get underneath here. And so I like to have overhang on my rubber, so if it shrinks back, you're still protected. So what we see over time is the water will get between these two, and once it sits in here for a while, it'll start to break down the material, get underneath, and in about 10 years you'll have leaks, sometimes 5. So little thing of mine I don't like, but in the end, if this roofer would have just came back out, met with the homeowner, fixed these screws, they probably wouldn't have as many problems as they have. Again, just little tiny details. If you're not looking for the longevity, helping the homeowner get down the road a long ways, or being a return customer, you're not going to think of these things.